Welcome to SCORE of the South Carolina Lowcountry. We are part of a national nonprofit organization dedicated to helping small businesses get off the ground, grow, and achieve their goals. And we're here for the life of the business.
I had always heard about SCORE as some entity that existed to help businesses, but it wasn't until I actually got a mentor myself that I really learned about the depth and breadth of the organization and how much it had to offer.
SCORE is looking for experienced business professionals to meet the growing demand for business advice and education in our Lowcountry community. Be a mentor, workshop presenter, or subject matter expert. It's fun, flexible, challenging, and rewarding. To find out more, visit our website, scorelowcountry.org.
SCORE.
SCORE. SCORE. SCORE for the life of your business.